In the heart of Abu Dhabi, where the world's top defense giants gather, Turkey has arrived with a storm of cutting-edge firepower. IDEX 2025 is witnessing a revolution in military technology, powerful, precise, and built for the future. Leading the charge is Roketsan, unveiling its mid-last vertical launch system. Designed to dominate the seas, this beast features quad-pack capabilities and fires anti-ship missiles with deadly precision, a game-changer for modern naval warfare. On the battlefield, Aselsan is bringing the heat. Their Alcar artillery and mortar systems deliver devastating firepower with advanced targeting, but that's not all. Introducing ASAF and Atom-smart munitions engineered for precision strikes, and beneath the surface, the Yinar ground-penetrating radar, capable of detecting hidden IEDs and landmines, ensuring troops stay one step ahead of unseen threats. From 5.56 mm bullets to 203 mm artillery shells, Turkey's MKE is flexing its industrial might. This powerhouse can produce an entire spectrum of weapons and ammunition, solidifying its role as a global defense leader. The Asan Group is here to reshape firepower, showcasing 155 mm artillery rounds, 122 mm rockets, and precision-guided aircraft bombs built for both NATO and Russian standard platforms. Their secret weapon? The GEPAT ammunition production facility, capable of mass-producing next-gen munitions. On the front lines, mobility meets firepower. Otokar introduces the battle-ready Cobra II armored vehicle, armed with a 12.7 mm Keskin turret and the mighty Armor, carrying a 25 mm Mizrak turret system. These armored beasts are designed to survive and strike in the harshest war zones. And now the titan of Turkish armor, the Altay main battle tank, with its T1 configuration rolling out in 2025. This next-gen tank is set to redefine ground warfare with unmatched firepower, mobility and defense systems. From the depths of the sea to the skies above, Turkey's defense industry is forging the future of war. IDEX 2025 is just the beginning, because when Turkey steps into the battlefield, the world takes notice. This is Turkey's military revolution. Are you ready? I'm Jonathan Walters, and you've been watching Uncover History. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.